I'm silicon. With an atomic number of 14, I fall into the carbon family of the periodic table, or group 14, coincidentally. My symbol is just Si, the first two letters of my name, nothing fancy going on there. I'm a metalloid, solid at room temperature. In my most common form, I have 14 protons, 14 neutrons, and 14 electrons. I've got an atomic mass of 28.086 with 3 stable isotopes, silicon 28, silicon 29, and silicon 30. My melting point is 1,414 degrees Celsius, and my boiling point is 3,265 degrees Celsius. I'm not that dense, with a density of only 2.33 grams per centimeter cubed, which basically means each cubic centimeter of me that you have will weigh 2.33 grams. By comparison, gold, which is a relatively heavy element, and quite full of himself I might add, has a density of 19.3 grams per centimeter cubed. For any of you Americans out there, that means that 1 cubic foot of gold would weigh 1,206 pounds, while a cubic foot of me would only weigh 145 pounds. This cube would cost about $203 at $1.40 per pound, if it were just pure silicon. About 80% of silicon is produced as ferrosilicon, which is an alloy of me and iron that is generally less expensive than pure silicon. Ferrosilicon is used in iron and steel manufacturing and was first industrially produced in the 1880s. It improved ductility, which is a metal's resistance to breaking under tension. It improved the ductility in pig iron, which they used back then, and is basically just the worst version of the cast iron we use today. Ductility is often referred to when talking about how easy it is to draw metal into a wire, although in the 1800s they were less concerned with wire and more concerned about forcing children to work in factories. When you have plenty of children to make wire, you aren't so concerned if little Timmy falls into the wire machine and dies. Anyways, with that tangent out of the way, it's time to talk about the etymology of my name. My name is derived from the Latin silex, or silic, meaning flint, since flint is mainly made of silica, which is not to be confused with the word silicon. Silica is SiO2, so in silica, each silicon atom is bonded with 2 oxygen atoms. That was discovered in Sweden in 1824 by
Jöns Jacob Berzelius,
whose name I'm not going to try to pronounce because I'll probably butcher it horribly. Here's the Bohr model again. I am using a myriad of things. Firstly, as I said before, I'm using alloys. I'm also used in silicate form to make concrete, bricks, glass, ceramics, and soap.
There is another.
We have silica, silicon, and silicate. But now, silicone. Silicone is a synthetic polymer. Breaking character here for a sec, but don't ask me what the word polymer means because I don't feel like researching it as a super connected to my element. I don't want to spend 20 minutes researching it and going down an endless rabbit hole like what happened to me when I was researching child labor in the 1800s for the last funny joke. Okay, silicone is a synthetic polymer made up of silicon, oxygen, and some other elements like carbon and hydrogen. Silicone can be used to make various sealants that make stuff waterproof. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Silicone also has non-stick properties, so you may have a spatula or something that's made of it at home. It's also pretty heat resistant and is a good insulator. The reason I'm using computer chips, and by extension can see your Google search history, is that I am the most abundant semiconductor on Earth. Unrelated, but I am the main component of sand. I make up about 28% of the Earth's crust, and I am the 8th most common element in the universe.
I know where you live.
Bye.
What the dog doing?